Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel. If you would like to enlarge your text on Snapchat, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it quickly and easily. Let's jump straight in. The first thing you want to do is jump over to the left hand side. On the top of your page, you will see your profile picture where you're going to tap on that. Now, from here, you can go ahead and locate your chats. You can actually just scroll down here and it says My Friends, and you can tap on that and you can create a new chat with any one of these. So we're going to go ahead now, and you can see I have a chat. And once you start chatting over here, I'm just going to type something. You can see now that just on the right hand side of the text box, there is an arrow pointing up and an arrow pointing down. Now, this is very small and this is still a relatively new feature, but what you got to do is you're going to go ahead, tap down and drag it up and down, and you're going to actually be able to change the size of this text. So as you can see here, it's now gone green, and now I am actually going ahead and I'm changing the text size. It also says release to send, so once you tap down and you move it and you release it, it will then be completely sent. So let's see how big we can get it. That's awesome. And you can now do that with every one of your messages. You can see that you can just like tap down and you can just move it around. You can see you can actually change it quite a bit, and you can make it really tiny too. There we go, folks. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a like. I hope it was helpful. See you next time. Cheers.